How to download College Football 25 for free. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch the official webpage of EA College Football. You can just search for the keywords and you'll be redirected to its official webpage. Now, can you really play your EA College Football without buying the game? So here's the deal. EA does provides you with a membership that includes a 10-hour free trial for selective new EA games, which does include your College Football 25. This means you can dive into the game and experience the gameplay for up to 10 hours before deciding to purchase the full game. In here, you can select on the option of EA Play, where you will find the option of 10-hour game trial. You need to tap on the given feature. The additional perks of it is you will get early access trial, which means you'll get to play for 10 hours before the official release or the purchase. You can earn in-game rewards for various EA titles as well. Not only this, you'll be getting 10% discount on EA digital purchases including games, DLC, and points pack. Essentially, EA Play provides a way to sample new EA games, which does include your College Football 25. So as you know, make sure you are a member of EA College Football first and foremost. If you don't know how, you can check out for EA College Football membership. After you are a member, go ahead and apply for a 10-hour free trial and enjoy the perks of it. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.